Last week on Satideh Mawnin Runnings, newlywed Sharic Jenkins shared powerful insights on love, marriage, and walking by faith. And the response? Absolutely amazing. So by popular demand, Sharic is back. And this time, she's joined by a fresh panel of voices ready to share their hearts. We're plunging deeper into the journey of love, purpose, and preparation. What does it really mean to be ready for marriage, spiritually, emotionally, and professionally? Whether you're single, engaged, or just hopeful for what's ahead, this conversation is for you. Join us on Saturday, July 5 at 10 a.m. on Voices with Lady D, live on YouTube. Satideh Mawnin Runnings, where culture meets conversation.